Okay, thank you. Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's webinar on data visualization through Looker Studio powered by Digital MEL Hub. It's Alamgir Hossain, Deputy Coordinator, Monitoring Evaluation Learning, Transparency International Bangladesh, and founder of Digital MEL Hub Bangladesh. This learning platform is totally my personal initiative as volunteer tasks, and it's never responsible of TIB as my present organization. It's my great pleasure that all the amazing M&E professionals of national and international have joined today. As you know, the-based data visualization tools are very popular. Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, and Looker Studio. So Looker Studio is one of them, which is going to learn by this webinar today. Honorable M&E professional, it's especially great momentous to have Mr. Mohammad Hossain Munna as a speaker today. I honored and grateful to him that he gives his valuable extra effort for us from his very busy schedule. Mr. Munna is currently working as mill manager for Care Bangladesh. He has more than 20 years working experience in monitoring, evaluation, accountability, learning, data analysis, and data visualization. Before this, he worked with Concern Worldwide, Islamic Relief Worldwide, and MATI in different positions. It's totally technical session. Keep patient, please. Before leaving, I request again all of you, please remain unmute during session and you will get open discussion or feedback at the end of the session for 20 to 30 minutes. So keep question and suggestion at your mind. The recorded webinar session and presentation will be circulated through WhatsApp group as well as registered mail. So I am requesting to Mr. Mohammad Hussain Onna to start today's session. Over to you.
Okay, thank you. Mhm. Share.
Okay, skin is
Acha.
available.
Okay, yes, available. Okay. Thank you for joining this platform. And it's Bangladesh, from Bangladesh time. Good evening to all. And you are participant around the world. Time zone is different. I am from Bangladesh, so my English pronunciation and grammar may be different. As Alamgir Bhai said, it is technical session. I think it will not be a big problem. And why we are here? Because uh, uh, um, we are professional, meal meal professional. Uh, we are working uh, as a meal. So meal perspective and data visualization perspective and management perspective, all we have so blended knowledge here. And another specialty is after the session you will get support. If you need any support, then we are available here to support you. And also our this presentation prepared like a way. If you just follow this presentation when you practice, it will enough, I think. So it this presentation work as uh, a guideline. For this, we will always go through the this presentation and our practical session. This why Looker Studio? This is the very important. Already Alamgir Bhai said we have three software, but Looker Studios. Why we choose the Looker Studio? Because it is easy to share with others. And Looker Studio from Google product. Already we have worked in Google Sheet, Google Docs, and Google PowerPoint, and it is easy when you work you think you are working as like as Google Sheet or PowerPoint, etc. So there is no burden here, or unknown tool or unknown toolbar are here, all are familiar. So it's our uh, advantage of the Looker Studio. So this is our key points we will try to cover as per our commitment. We will try to cover this. And our learning modality will be uh, learning by doing. We will analyze this dashboard. You already see here is a dashboard, test project dashboard. In the webinar, we will try
Locker
to,
Studio একটা সফটওয়্যার আছে সেখানে
yes, in this webinar, we will try to analyze this website. So it will be easy for us to understand the Looker Studio.
Munna bhai, you are unmuted. Just Munna bhai, you are maybe,
Yes,
yeah. Okay.
okay.
আর কথা কবে না আমার সাথে
Go
কখনোই
ahead. Go ahead.
এভাবে
Okay, okay.
উনি
So
যদি
our
কোনো
yes, you see a little girl is cutting using scissors. We will try to scissor this dashboard. So it will be help us to make a dashboard like this as per our need. Before going to the our main session, we will browse for dashboard. These dashboard are mainly developed. This is real life dashboard. One is you can see the USAID funded project. They are BYLC is using this dashboard, and this is very interactive. Here is the youth profile, youth profile system they are using, and here is different type of a button or some things. And another is also is ISDB funded project, HRF Bangladesh using this. This is an dashboard. It's a real life. This is developed on using Looker Studio. Here is also a dashboard. You see, this is also developed in Looker Studio, and also here GIS and inbuilt. Is also here some point. Okay. If we learn to make a dashboard like this or this or this or this, what we have to learn? We have to learn how to insert or create logo, company logo, how to uh, insert dashboard title, picture, icon, different type of chart, label, drop down, slicer, filter, date range, command box, table, GIS, and a target indicator, design idea, data connection, etc. If we learn these 50 things, I think it will enough for us to prepare a dashboard without any cost, without any taking extra burden. And before preparing Looker Studio, what we need? We need a database. Without database, we cannot visualize our data. So data is very important, and the Looker Studio is the advantage is it can connect different type of data: Excel, Excel to Power Query, Gobo to Excel, Gobo Excel Power Query, Google Sheet, Google Form Sheet, Google Sheet Excel, this type of. Now, in our webinar, we will focus on Google Sheet. And if we get time, then we can also see how can connect with Excel or Excel to Kobo, etc. If we get time. But our main focus is Google Sheet because it is easy. Before going to practical, we have to use this link, https lookerstudio.google.com. But one requirement is you have to be a Google account, Gmail account. Normally, if you want to use Facebook, you have to a account like Facebook. If you want to Telegram, you need a account in a Telegram. Like if you want to use Google product, you need a Google account. So it's a requirement. And also we will use this sample data. And this sample data is here. This is our sample data. And this sample data is a very familiar data, because and every field or column or variable is very familiar to us. For this we choose this database, because if we work on easy database, you have, after completing the webinar, we can use our own database and to visualize our uh, own purpose. So this is very
Go back,
uh,
Ajama, with finish. Everyone's like me.
okay. And before starting, we have to understand our data structure, and this is very, very important. You see, here is the in the our Excel file or Google Sheet file. Here you here is the column. This this column is serial, and one is designation or budget line. Already we familiar with designation. Location, it's the office location, name of the staff, employee ID, status. As well as a staff, he is active staff or onboard staff or will join or to be recruited. This cell phone number, email address, reporting to, joining date. And joining date we can convert into date, month, or year. For this we use a custom. And sex or gender, religion, ethnicity, and person with disabilities. This is very familiar word for us. So we pick this word to use as a database. And you see our test database is here. It is serial designation or budget line. Here is serial 70 stuff, and in the designation here is different type of designation. Location, this is the location, is office location. Name of the staff, this is the name of the staff. You know, we have general data protection policy, so we have used uh, uh, shadow name, AABBCC. So considering the data protection policy. ID, same we have also use this. And status, here is the three type of status: active, to be recruited, or join. This staff is active or to be recruited or join. And next is cell number, email, report to joining date, sex, ethnicity, religion, person with disabilities, and GPS of the office location. Is very simple. Next slide is very important. Although we say serial, but it says different name. In the data type, and the data variable, we can say data field or column name. Normally in a Excel, we can say this is a row and this is column. So we can easily say this is column name, this is column name. But when you use access database, then there is the name is field name. In the field name, ID, serial, designation, staff name. So you can it's not create a bother if you use field name or column name. Same, this is same, but based on database, it's access data say it's a field name, and when we use Excel, we say column name. When we use SPSS, at that time there is a two types of view. One is data view and variable view. So SPSS says this is variable, serial, designation, name. This is variable. So it's difference on software to software. So variable, data field, column are similar. So I think you are clear. And next is serial. When a serial, this serial is a number, and it's also we can say it as integer, and also we can say it as scale. When we use Kobo, then we have to define integer. But integer means full number, whole number. So number integer is same. When we use SPSS, then we have to define this serial is scale or nominal or ordinal. So scale means we can easily calculate, multiply, subtract, addition, and ordinal means we can create a order. Nominal is name. For example, Alamgir Bhai is a name, Mahmoud is a name, but we can by name we can cannot create an order, but as a position, Alamgir Bhai is the founder of the MEL Hub, so he is the first position and I'm the member, I'm the second position, so this is the order. When we use any variable or field or column, that time we can also understand which types of data is. So serial is a number or integer or scale number. Designation or budget line is a text or ordinal number. Location is a text or order or ordinal. Name of the staff is a text or nominal. So
Go ahead, no problem. Go ahead.
hello, are you hearing me?
Sure, sure. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, yes. So you will not be any confused or any any burden or any pain. Oh, what is variable? What is field? What is column name? What is number, integer, scale? Difference when you use this. Mainly, this is our barriers. We think this is very tough for us, so it is not for us. It is maybe data scientist or mill person or mill guy only will do this. So this is very easy, but name is different. So I think you have understand about our data here is. When we prepare a dashboard, you will understand more clearly. And opening now is our main session. This is such it's Looker Studio. Uh, when we use Looker Studio, we have to use this link. This is easy. When we use Facebook, we have to type https://facebook.com SMS like this. If we use this column copy and paste, here is the first box, Looker Studio. Same. This is, we have to use this. This is Looker Studio. If we click here blank, when we use MS Word, then we have to create a blank page, a blank document. Or if you use Excel, we have to create blank sheet, SMS like this, blank report. After clicking, it comes this. And of what we will do this in our what is our guideline set. This is here is the important thing is add to report, and it is our where is our data, and add to report and connect to data, and we will connect to data. We will use Google Sheet. So is Google Sheet. After the Google Sheet, where is my Excel file? As we said, we will use this file, text dot staff profile this, and this is project staff. The sheet name project staff. As same as this is all data test project staff. When I click this, here is the tab name. You see here is the tab name. We will use this tab project staff. We will use project stuff, and then we have to use this first row as a header. This is the first row. This first row always use as a header. Here is our guideline. First use a header, include hidden or filtered cell. Then we have to click add. So we have this click here. Our worksheet is project stuff, and now we have to click add. Working. Now we have to confirm, yes, add to report. Here is the also our guideline said, yes, add to report. Yes, add to report. After adding, this data is come here. What our guideline says, Looker Studio window. Now is the Looker Studio window introducing the Looker Studio main window. So here is our is a menu bar as like as MS Word, as like as Excel, PowerPoint. This is the menu bar. This is toolbar. And main thing is here is the three pen. It's a data. If you click data, you will see the data pane here. This is the staff test staff data. Here we will use this is type data, serial designation, location. All are here. Next is properties. When you click properties, nothing, but you have to insert a object this. If you click there, then properties is open. This is properties. And also here is the filter bar. We will work on main work will be data and properties. And another is here is the pen bar. You can easily expand or close the pen bar. This is our guideline. You can easily remind after our webinar. And another important is our rename our dashboard. Which what is the name of our dashboard? We can easily rename here. Yes, test. Okay. Okay. Yes, this is complete. We have opened our Looker Studio and connect data with Looker Studio. Now is the main thing is page layout. Page layout is very important, because if you prepare a dashboard but your audience do not read this, then it's very tough. So paper layout, page layout settings is very important. So what our guidelines say is here, theme and layout. theme and layout. Okay, theme and layout. Theme and layout. In the layout, here is different option, which or what we will use. Here is the few recommendation for report with lot of text. We will use 3 by 4 US letter size. For report many chart and graph, you will use this size. For if for report you need maybe printed, you will use this size, or you can use a custom your size. So here is the main important. So fit to white is very important. Why this is important? Your dashboard maybe use in projector, maybe use in monitor, maybe use in mobile, tab, or different electronics device. So if fit to white is very important if you want to adjust with this. And we say our custom canvas will be this as part as we are using many chart and graph, so we will use this landscape. Uh, you can see it's already changed. If you want your need, you can use custom size. This is custom size. I can show you. Here is the HRF health post service for the Rohingya community. This is the custom. It's as like a swipe base. It's very long. If you need like this, you can use custom, and width and height you can easily increase as per your need. We can easily customs here. But our normal recommendation is, as we normally many chart and graph, this is recommended. Okay. So next time is this. As we said, we will analyze our learning modality will be a analysis, analysis a report, our existing dashboard. So we will analyze this. If we see this dashboard, we can easily compare this. Already we have introduced about our different type of tab properties. Here is the option view. Normally, you who have XPSS, there is two view, data type and variable type, variable view. If you use Excel, here is the design view, and also is a table view, different type of view, data view. This is table view and also a design view. So same. This yes, here is the view edit. This is the view type, and this is edit. Edit means you can easily insert text or your icon and view this, how the dashboard will work. This is very important, is present here. We can just go through this. This is our test project. Our staff, we see active staff, joint staff, recruited staff. Here is the male, female among the active staff is the progress rate. Our total staff is 70 and resignation is 24. We can easily, uh, yes, our among the July, how many progress, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. We can easily track here. And also we have here is the button. If we click this button, we'll go this type of for table. And also you can use this as a location base Dhaka hub only, my main office location. And also next, here is that you can see among the ethnicity, religious, male, female, person with disabilities. If we see this, here is the five person who are ethnicity, person with disability. Here is the sixth person. We can see next. We can see this. So
Hello,
hello.
hello. Can you hear?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, it is clear.
Now is the edit. Here is the you can see after the menu bar, here is the manage space. If you see the click here, you see a report page. This is report page. So this is very important because we have to create page for our visualization. Normally, if we use this data, this is 70. uh, this is database based on data quality. We have maintained our data quality. We have checked this is accurate data, valid data, authentic data. But what this data says, it's very tough, very difficult. But when we visualize, we can easily understand. Our management, our boss, supervisor easily understand what is uh, what this data is saying. So the Looker Studio, we will use this. Already we have opened how can open Looker Studio, how can connect with data. And now we will prepare a dashboard. This is when you use this manage page. Here is the plus add page. You can click a page. Here is the create a page. You can easily uh, rename here, duplicate here, delete, select icon, move up on anything. You can rename this. This is, you can say test. You can easily rename this. This is the home page. How we will create this home page? Now we can easily duplicate this and copy of home page. Now is the important is how we'll insert this logo. Maybe this logo is, I can delete this. We have to insert a logo, digital MEL Hub. Here is the picture image. You can see here is the image. Okay. Here is the image, and two types. One is you can use URL, also you can use from your computer. We will use upload our computer. Yes, upload our computer, and we have keep it in a, yes, Looker Studio training file. This is front page icon, sorry, organizational icon. This is digital MEL Hub. Open. Here is our icon. We can decrease it as like as PowerPoint or MS Word. What we do, this is not tough. We can drag here and click this and adjust this. Okay. So it is now we have learned how we can insert logo or image. Now how can you insert this text? Maybe we can delete this. Yes, delete. No. This is a text button. You have seen this is the text button. You can drag here, and here is the plug is blinking. I'm going to test project test project. When you click this, you see properties is nothing. When you click the text, then properties is open. From this, you can increase or decrease WS, maybe 14, maybe 48, hmm, or increase 48, what you did. And another is our background. We can use this. We can easily small it or drag it, enlarge it as like as MS Word or Excel. You can adjust it here. Okay. Then we have learned how to insert logo, how to insert text as like as same as this. You can use this. Now we have to insert this type of icon. As maybe it is not here. Just image upload from computer and your folder destination folder. Here is the started work SMS. Yes. See, this is very easy as like as MS Word, as like as PowerPoint. Now is the most important is this dynamic, inserting a dynamic number. For this, we have to use a add chart. Here you say scorecard. Here is that scorecard. If you click here, then here is the scorecard is open. And also we have used this. The scorecard is open. Here is the two type of, one is setup, one is style, and another is hidden metric name. So if you want this, and what we will do, we want to see our active staff, how many staff are active here, but this shows only 70. So what we'll do, we will use the metric. This metric is what is our serial, and this is count. When count, it comes 17. You see, normally we have 70 designated type, 70. If you sum this, if, if you say sum, it shows a big number. So we have to use only the count. But this is as same as style. You go to style and level size, you can easily increase. You can increase. Okay. And here you can hide metric. So hide metric name, the serial name is gone. This is also in our PowerPoint presentation. This is the PowerPoint presentation. You can easily use this style and hide the metric name. The style, hide the metric name. Now we have to use a filter because our active staff is 57, but it shows 17. If we see the uh, Google Sheet, and here's the status. If we filter this, clear the active stuff, this is, you can see, this is 58. 58 out of 70 rows displayed. So active stuff is 58. So we have to use a filter for this. How this we can go to setup, and here is the filter. You can see here is the filter, add filter, and create a filter. Create a filter. You can give a name test active stuff. Here is the two condition. One is include, another is exclude. So we will use include. Select a file. Where is the active stuff here? If we see, here is the field name is the status. In the status, here is active stuff will join active to be recruited. So we have to use here act status. Okay, status. This is status column. Now is the condition is equal to. What is example? What will give this? We will give this active. So we can copy this active and active and save. Now you see this is 57, 57. Okay. This is SMS. Now you want to use this will join. How many number of staff will join? This, if you filter clear all and will join, you see there is only two rows. I mean two staff. So how many will join? Two. How we'll do is this? We just select this and copy paste. But we have to change the filter because we want will join where will join is 2. So here is the filter. This is filter. We can remove this filter. It's cross. So all are 70 because our total stuff here is the filter removed. If we remove filter, select all, this is 70. So it shows 70. So we have to use will join. Add a filter, create a filter, can name test will join, same as include. Select a filter which uh, select a field which field will use status column F status column. So use status column. What condition will be equal to, which will be will join, as here is will join. We can copy here, just paste and save. You see 2. So SMS this to be recruited. So you can easily create this logo, this text, this icon, and also this number. And how this will create this SMS previous. If we can create this text, we can also create this text. This is just similar. Now, how we'll create this type of chart, the pie chart. Okay, if we want to create a pie chart, you have already see report filter versus chart filter. You can see how it's work. Now it is the pie chart settings. Okay, this is a chart. Here is the pie chart. Okay, pie chart is here. Okay, here is you see there is different name. So what we have to change? We have to change the dimension. This in the so you say dimension is joining date. Actually, my desired field will be sex. My to see what is my desired cell. This number of column L. Here is male, female, male, female, male, female, all. So our field name is sex. So we have to choose from here the dimension, click, this is 6. Yes, you see there is a male, female, and here is also another male, female, and it says with a none. Because if you see here, here is blank, blank, because those staff to be recruited. So if you remove blank, then total staff is um, 64. So as same as previous, what we have to do, we have here, we have here in the scorecard, we have create what? A filter. So here we have to also create a filter chart and add a filter. Filter, already we have created test active stuff as a test active stuff already created previous, and for we no need create filter again and again. We just apply this test active stuff. Now you can see only the male and female. Al- Hello.
Go ahead, no problem. Sound is
Okay.
nice.
Yes. And the metric is also count. We can also change the values here in the style. You can also do single color you can also change as a green or whatever you want. So it's a very from this chart you can also create a donut chart. You can see if you can here, this is pie chart. If you increase this, this will be a donut chart. And also you can use label color here. You can increase the label auto or mm, different color. Yes, same types of label. This is, you can also show as percentage. Here is value. You can change also value here. So this is very easy as like as Excel, PowerPoint or easy. I think you have understand how to create a this type of this type of a dashboard. The now is the this. How can you can also this, how can use total staff, total designation, which we have done this. This is nothing. This is nothing but a this is a text box. And also here is a scorecard. This is a text box. This scorecard is uh, you look white color. You can easily change here the color black. Yes, yes. If you change here, you see here is the scorecard. Here is the total stuff. What I will create this as same as previous. Create a text box like and create this. And as we are using a total stuff, so here we use no filter. All stuff is here. In the designation, this is same. I have used only a text box, and this is a scorecard, but we have changed the dimension. Which dimension is? This is the designation and budget line. This is the designation and budget line. Total 40 staff, but if we count the designation, and here you can see the count distinct. Distinct means this is important. Here is YOLO development officer, YOLO development officer, YOLO development officer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then if we use this distinct, only count 1. So we have used count distinct. So total designation is counted 24. Total staff is 40, but total staff designation is 24. It's a distinctives. Now, what, how I will use this type of chart? Previously, you see, we can change this as a donut chart or bar chart, pie chart, but this is not a pie chart. This will create from the scorecard. For example, if we copy this, copy paste, here is the you can see what our guidelines say. Okay, here we can see a style. Uh, okay. Here is the option show progress, and our staff starting value. Our total number of staff is 17, and this is value. Staff total staff is 17. And this is says when we'll create this, if we use this show progress, and if you use this our total target value is 17, then it shows what is our progress. This is, you can see the progress. This progress you can change into hello.
No problem. Go ahead.
Oh,
Some
okay.
people are noisy.
Okay. This progress you can change into the progress bar or circle. This is circle. You can change only the circle. If you increase this, circle will increase. And if you here we say style do not show height comparison level, and also you can say height metric name. This you can hide this, and you can, if you use this number value is smaller, the chart will be bigger. Here the number is auto small, and if you increase this, the chart will be used. And there I have used a blank text box. If you use these tricks, you can easily increase this and decrease the number, and you can create this type of uh, 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 circle progress bar. And what I will do this is nothing but a uh, text box. Just we uh, change the color, change this color. We have changed a light color. Now you can use this. So this is very simple chart. If you see as a view, present view, it's a very lucrative when you change, if you want to change, this change will occur for the month of July. This progress is this, only one active staff and only male. This the October to November. If you want to create a quarterly report, July, October, November, this quarterly progress is here. So it's very interactive. Okay.
It's a drop
Yes.
down, right? It's a drop down menu.
Yes, it's a drop down menu. How we'll use this type of menu? This menu, this is a control bar, is a drop down list. If you click this and if you drag here, again here, here is the sex. This is the control field, but we have to change the month. Here is the field of month. This is joining date month. Yes, joining the custom. And if you change here date type, date and time, if you year and month, and change is the year month, hmm, you can easily okay this. And here I have also used a filter. Hmm, this is a click here, only you see the month, month. So the month is changed. Previously, this header was very hazy, his clumsy header. If you want to change the header, you just go to the control field, and here you can uh, click the mouse, then pen will open. Pen means you can easily edit this. You can change the name is month, month, so month. Yes, yes. Here is also I have applied a filter. You see, here is a filter as a active stuff, because our active stuff is 51. uh, you see here is shows null, but here there is no null. So if you use just filter, null will gone. Add filter, here is our active stuff, or state test active filter, it will apply it, and our there is no null. Okay, I think we are clear how to create this type of dashboard using our existing data, existing simple data. Next, what is our next page? This is our home page. We have just create this, duplicate this, and analysis this. Now we can use hide the view mode. Height means when you publish your dashboard, it will not visible to the your sender. It only visible only you. Next is the we can delete this space, because we no need this space, delete. Next is the second page. Okay, how we'll use this type of page? Okay, just we can create a page. Here is the already you have this type of page. You can easily copy this copy here, Control C copy. Then you can see the this page and paste. You see, as like as MS Word, already all come. As you need more space, you just change this so small this 13. You have small this. Okay, same. and small this and drag into here this.
Munawai,
Yes.
already on hour is over, so
Oh, okay. Yes.
we have to finish by next 30 minutes. But we wanna give opportunity to from participant
Oh,
ask question for clear understanding. Okay.
okay. Yes. I'm going fast. So second page, you see how we will create this. We can use duplicate this space. And how we'll use this type of chart. For this type of chart, we have to what we have to do this. Here is the chart. Mm. If you go to the chart, a chart, here is you see the time series chart. Mm. You can click here. We have create here. After creating, what we have to here is the our PowerPoint also say all things time series. If you go to the this, you can choose a time series chart. Then you have to select dimension and metric, number of staff join. So you have maybe this is not here. Edit chart. This is line chart. You can create here. Yes. Dimension this is date custom and metric is count. Metric is count. And a filter, you can also add a filter. What is filter? Our active stuff. So we can also convert this chart into a bar chart. So here is the chart. You can easily convert as like as this is the chart. You can easily convert. It's a column chart. You see this converting as a column chart. And you can also here is the style. From the style you can show the data level. It's go to the change into a data level. So it's a very simple ways to create a chart and convert into another type. And how we'll create this maybe this is not here. We have to add a chart and we have to create uh, a tree map. Here is the tree map. Here's dimension. You have to change the dimension. Who is the dimension? Sorry, dimension is our. We can want to see our stuff, designated stuff. So this is created. You can easily show the which number of stuff is very more. You can also see the master trainer, learner mobilizer is a number more. This is this also shows master learner mobilizer trainer. Yes, so it's I think you will can create this. Now is the how can we use a GPS? Maybe it is not here. How we will create GPS? For GPS, it's important is Google use this type of coordination, latitude, longitude in a one cell. Normally, if you go to the any Google map, Google map, if you want to select a GPS like this, a copy mm, stuff, if you paste here, you see coordinate is in a one cell. So normally what we collect lat long is different cell. Maybe lat is this cell, longitude is here cell. But in the Looker Studio, use this type of format is latitude longitude in a one cell as which our normally Google Google Map use. So in our database we also use GPS in a one cell, coordinate is in one cell. That means this is office location. So how will create a map? Just we will add a chart. This is a purple chart. Just we'll click here. Main thing is location field in valid session. We'll where our this is GPS, but it shows nothing. It's not our accurate GPS. We have to change the data type. This is data type is text. So we have to change this is geolocation. Geolocation is latitude longitude type. Okay. Now is this is the change. Correct. And style we can also change here. This is map. We can use satellite. Here is the satellite map. So you can show how we have created this type of page. So it's not very big task. You have data, you have your simple data. Using your simple data, we can easily create this type of dashboard. Okay. Now we can as hide this view mode. Now is the third page. Delete. Third page is this type of data. So this is as like as previous how we'll do this. If you go to the page, we we can easily duplicate this, and we can easily already we have learned how to create, how to insert icon, how to insert logo as same as previous. This is previous. Same we can easily, and we can we have learned how to insert a pie chart. Maybe you have no not this type of pie chart. What we will do, we have already created a pie chart here in our first page. And this is we have already created. We just copy and we'll go to the our desired page, desired page, and just paste here. This is a paste. We paste here and small. But here our main topics was ethnicity. But if you see this chart, this chart is dimension is 6. So we have to change the dimension. So dimension where is our is if we see our uh, chart is ethnicity. Ethnicity here, Bengali or ethnic minority. So we will go there. We will change the ethnicity. Ethnicity. And you see this is change. The chart is change here. As we want to show our value here, percent is not the value. This is also share, and we also do small this. Okay, view already have chance. So we can as same as this, we can also create this chart, this chart, this chart. I think you have understand how we'll create this. If you see, this is very nice dashboard. You may think very learned person has created this, but this is very simple task. Already you have shown how I have created this. Now is the main task is how to create a table here. So same I can show you. This is page, sorry, page button, copy of this third page, copy of third page. Maybe you think this table is not here, delete. You have to create a table here. So same, add a chart you can create. Here is a table. You drag here. Which field you want to see in your table. Here is the dimension. We can close the dimension. Metric, we don't want to see any metric. Sorry. And in the dimension, we want to add our designation. We want to add another dimension is staff name, employee name. Where is the employee name? This is the name of the staff. We can add another. Uh, this may be sex. We can another person with disabilities. In another uh, uh, religion, etc. And this is come in the style metric. You can so count. You don't want to see any metric here. Now in the style tab, you can use the style table color header. You can see this color, the change here, and also we can use horizontal line. If you use this horizontal scrolling, it will be automatic adjusted. So this is interactive. Also, you have to use this type of in the setup. You can use date range, release, interact style. Here is the show field description. You can see here the show field description, and also it will be act as a interactive. If you want to see the male, female, female is 21, it is easily changed only 21. Here also use you see setup. There is you have to add filter. This is we have active stuff. We want to see only active stuff. You see here is 23 23, but actually our male stuff is 21. If you use apply the filter active stuff, then it can easily achieve 21. If you want to see the person with disabilities and a 6 person, you can also here this is a 6 person, a person with disability. So this is a button. Now is we will see how to create add this type of button. Hmm. Um, go to the page, this third page, can use delete this. This is home page. Here I have created a button, next button. So add a control, just a button. You create like this. If you create a button like this, when you select this, the properties will come. You have to select the navigation. Of course, we have to navigate one page to another. Then is the insert link. When you insert link, that time this come dynamic page link, first page, previous page, next page, last page. So what we have to use? We have to use dynamic page. means always it goes to the next page. So we have to use this next, and here is open in new tab. We have to uncheck this, apply. Now we have to rename this next NEXT. If we go to view button and go to the present, if we click this next button, this button will come, and back button, this button will come. You just design when you have free time, just already you have understand how you will uh, um, decrease this size as like as PowerPoint and previous same. So similarly, you have also create the button, the back button. Back means we have to go previous button, as same as previous. Add a control, add button. This is a button, and then navigate. This is insert a link. You will go. This is the previous. You will use previous and uncheck open in a new tab and apply. Here you can change the back. BSCK. Yes. Okay. If you see view and present, if you click here, you go to the back button, and next, next button, back button. This is the same. Using these techniques, we have used all these, all the button. Now is our last page. Our last,
Munna bhai, what is the
yeah.
functionality of reset button? Reset button.
Okay, reset button. Uh, here you see the I have click here, table has changed. I'm click here, also table has changed. I'm click here, also table has changed. Now you have to understand, yes, now is the 39. See it, the here is 39. So reset button, if you insert a reset button, it will automatically reset. Click here as a button. Yeah, and report action. Here is the reset filter. Okay, when you previously we used navigation button. Navigation means back, next, or home page. Now is the report action second. And if you use reset filter, and if you rename this reset, what it act like. Here is the button present. Here is a click here. You have clicked here. Now we have to understand, yes, I have to reset all. If you click reset button, yes, all it's come here. All 51 stuff, active stuff are here.
Okay, so nice.
Okay, understand? Okay.
Yes.
Now is the our last slide. If you see here, our last page is this. What
Our
we
our
have.
our time is
Oh,
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
yeah, 10 minutes.
Left.
Yes,
Left. Okay.
already we have understand how you have created this. Maybe or just copy paste. Maybe this is not. We have gone to our previous page, copy this, and click here, paste this. Okay, this is same button. We have also here line. You have also see how we have create this insert line, and click this, create a line. This is a line. We can also change color here from this as like as PowerPoint and MS Word we just create. And another important is create a link. Here is the reference button. If we use this insert any link, just click here. If you use this view, if you use this, uh, you see using in a new tab, this page has open. So just edit button, we have click a text, just see reference ref here and see. You can create is agent. Here is the insert link. You can insert, increase the text here and click. And where is your page link? This is our page link. Just click this, click the copy and here and paste here the paste. Here you have to use open in a link tab, check mark and apply. What it will work when you use reference, it will open in a new tab. But if you use here home in a new tab, then this tab will open in another tab. So it will make a clumsy. For this, I show you, said you, uh, uh, this is what is important. And also you can use this type of video as videos. Here is the
It is same process. It's the same process, right?
yes same
Documentary, any documentary.
any documentary, same
Yeah.
process. This is maybe it is not here. Same process. Here is the embed, this type of, you can use this embedded, this and external URL control. You can use this, copy and paste here, external control. And this video will work here. This is the same process. Just you can use the link. Okay. Okay. Yes, and it's work. It's the same process. Now is open. Yes, this is close. Now this is very simple. We have tried to make it very simple. How you have a lot of data here, a lot of data here in your real time. You have to handle data, but normally this data cannot say anything. You cannot take any decision. When you create a dashboard, visualize your dashboard or share your dashboard, it has extra meaning. So we have tried in a simplest way using our simple data to create a dashboard. I think you have enjoyed with this session, and I am also apologies for my as I am from Bangladesh and my language is Bangla. So I have tried to explain you. but as a technical session, I think you have understand this. Besides, this is our presentation. It will work as a guideline. Here all are here how to add button, previous button, and also we have an assessment. You can in this assessment you can see how uh, real time work. Okay. Hello, Alamgir Bhai.
Yes, go ahead. Next 5 minutes, you can assessment and then finish your session. And I want to give opportunity from participant to ask question to for a clear understanding. Okay.
Yes,
Uh,
I have completed my session. This is and now is important is sharing. How we will share this? Because we have choose Looker Studio. It has a facility to use share. We can easily make it is a yes, restricted, unlisted, and public. Now, also, we can use as a restricted, only use our designated person only, or also we can use a public and copy this. If we use our Lucas, our group, we can easily
yes, you can share our group, digital MEL Hub
yeah,
groups.
yeah, you can easily yeah, and you can browse this from here, and it's open. So it's very easy. Another important is if you use if you send in your boss, supervisor, or colleagues, she will easily check this dashboard browsing the email. And also it is possible to download as a PDF. This is a PDF mode. You can also download or print as a one pager or two pager. It's very nice, very interactive. So we have tried to explain about the Looker Studio. Now is the time of uh,
Thank you. Thank you, Munna for your nice presentation. You close your yeah, screen here. So now open discussion session. There will have few question or feedback on this session, but we'll finish by 20 to 30 minutes, couple of time. Please raise your hand on by on. Those who will not get chance, please write down your opinion or feedback or question, suggestion in your WhatsApp group or mail. So before that, we have the excellence professionalcy here, two person here, Hindul Bok from Canada, director of Circle Associate, and another excellency person is Nazrul Islam, chairman of Circle Associate. I want to some opportunity to say something. Firstly, Hindul Bhai, would you please say something to our participant, for our participant. Hindul Bhai.
Uh, thank,
Okay.
thank you, Alongate. These are the actually the good opportunity to say something. Yeah, a nice presentation. These are the very important session today. Actually, the organized by the circle. This data visualization. Data visualization. These are the key prime issues for any organization. As example, like sometimes I include the saying that these data visualizations actually the create the opportunity to take the decision making. Like in share market, everywhere in the world, no one actually they know the data. Some of the have the financial ability, some of the financial analysis, but most of them have no actually the ability to analysis and taking the decision making. But people are taking the decision making on the basis of the dashboard. These milliseconds actually the changing the actually the interface of the these analysis and data visualization on the basis of the people are trading and taking the decisions, buying and selling these things. So data visualizations actually the issues of the connect of the people, those are no actually the ability or not actually the interest to the data. Data is a very these are not actually liked by the everyone. Everyone actually is thinking data is a very clumsy. But for decision making, these are the very critical issues. We many guys, we are living with the data, so we are very much comfort to the using the data and data analytics, and we have some ability to analysis and examine and explanations of the very critical graphs, charts, and tables. But general people, like the management people, like the beneficiaries, like the policymakers, like the other networks, they have no actually that sort of the likeness. Yeah. So these are the very issues. So today these tools is a very these also the new for me also. I wishes to this platform. Alongate, yeah. Thanks.
Thank you, Hindul Bhai, for joining us from Canada. And next
Mr.
one,
Nazir Bhai,
Nazul Bhai, please say something because you did not attend at the beginning. So after your finishing talk, we will go to the participant to ask question. Please say something, Nazul Bhai.
Okay, thank you, Alongir, and thanks, Hindul, for say something in this webinar. This is a great opportunity, I will say, for everybody. That's a simple visualization software we learned, and this is really, not difficult like other visualization software. And I think that can be easily manageable by the M&E professionals who are dealing with the software. This type of visualization. So I will say that the who have introduced with this system in this webinar. If you have, more questions, or when you will work with these, you can contact Alongir and he can again connect the trainer to assist you. I hope the trainer will be available for any support if someone wants to learn this one and go further with this. And it is our great pleasure for this trainer that he is in this platform and provide this webinar. Thank you very much for supporting Circle MEL Hub platform. And also, I will, thanks the audience and participant of this webinar for their patience to learn this, this Locker Studio. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much for your excellency speech. So we will go to the participant. On and half hour is not enough for this for deep learning. So for deep learning, we will arrange a 6-day training from next month, 1st November. So now it's time to yours, participant. I want to call one by one based on raise your hand. So first on Shaina. Shaina, please raise your hand. Raise your question.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Alamgir Bhai. And thank you, Munna Bhai, for nice presentation and sharing the studio Looker. So, first question is that there it possible to filtering the cascading type is like as first I will filter districts, and then based on the Upojela will show, and then based and the Upojela will select, and then after that the union will select. In such way possible to filter set? One question. And second question is that farmer database is the living document. So if farmer database gradually I update it, so in that case, if I prepare the dashboard, automatically will update the dashboard.
Munna Bhai?
Yes. Thank you, Appa, for your. Of course, yes. This is dynamic. If you update, maybe I have joined in the organization. If you see active, then database will is automatically update. If you change my mobile number or email, this is will shows also. And this cascading also possible. Maybe here is you see when we prepared the third page, we if you want to see we at first you want to see the ethnicity. Okay, 5 people here. If you want to see male female, also is possible. You can just add filter. uh, we have used location. Instead of location you use maybe sex, then you have to use another which field you need.
Okay, we will not
It's
show. We will not showing that because the time
a
is
cascade.
consuming. Yes, cascading is
Yes,
yeah.
possible. Yes, possible.
Okay. Okay, we will see the next 16 November for deep learning training. So no, now time is short. So another question is Nazmul Huda. Nazmul Huda, please.
First of all, thank you all of you for visiting such important Looker Studio to us. My question is that if I want to present multiple sheet in one presentation or one link, is it possible to link 3 or 4 Excel sheet? I
Yes,
will, of course, yeah.
yes, of course, it is possible. You mean RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. Here, the Excel sheet is the staff who joined. Maybe you have another sheet who resigned, or you have another Excel sheet. You have the complaint management system. You can merge together. It's possible.
Okay, another.
Multiple sheet.
Okay, another three. First, Bernard, please say something or any question, Bernard. Bernard.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you very much. I've got a question. I wanted to find out. Thank you for the presentation, by the way. I wanted just to find out. Is it possible also to do semantic modeling?
You speak Yoruba very well now.
Come again?
No. Another people gossiping. No. Say again.
Oh, thank you. Yes, I wanted just to find out, is it also possible in Looker to do semantic modeling like the way we usually do it in Power BI? Then the other thing I also wanted to just inquire from the presenter is the presentation going to be shared by recorded video?
Yes.
Yeah.
After finishing the session, I will send the recording video and presentation. No problem.
Yes, data modeling also possible, of course, as like as Power BI.
Yes.
This is we Looker Studio said RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. It's possible.
Okay, any question from Biplab Shah?
Thank you so much. Nice presentation and great learnings for me. My question is, Munna bhai, is it possible to connect data with Kobo or ODK apps? And another, how to calculate data from 2 columns? Is it possible to Power Query or anything else?
Yes, here is some tricks. Normally, what in Power BI, what we do? Kobo to Power BI, this is has easy access. Normally, we have to do in case of Looker Studio, we have to connect Excel to Kobo. Then Excel, we have to import Excel file in Looker Studio. Then easily it will work.
Okay, thank you. And another in Teddy Lema.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you. Once we have done with preparing our dashboard and shared with the respective person like the manager or supervisor, and if we go back and add or edit our database, I have heard that it will automatically update in our dashboard, but will this change also appear in the person shared with this dashboard? Thank
Yes,
you.
of course, this is dynamic. If we change our data information, And if we refresh this, it is easily changeable, and we can, if we share, he will see the update. Maybe I have today I have sent you this dashboard. In the meantime, we have changed something. If we refresh this, when you open this link, you can easily change. But if you send it as a PDF will not be changed. But if we send only link, data link, then update will be changed.
Okay, thank you.
This is dynamic.
Thank you. And we can take some question from chat box because no raise in this moment. So from Sakat Hussain, thank you so much. Just want to know how you publish the dashboard to others. Sakat bhai. Munna bhai, just another question from Sakat Hussain. Just want to know how you publish the dashboard to others. How to publish, like Power BI. So directly you can show.
Munna bhai, maybe unmute.
Munna bhai, unmute.
Okay. In the invite people, you can easily um, add a name. For example, it is digital. Digital MEL Hub. Yes, you can also use as a viewer or editor. Also, you can change this data also. Another option is as like here you are added. You can also change it as a restricted or public. And another option is another option is schedule report. Here you can edit schedule. You can change the people to. If you use email address, you can easily send the people as a report. Here is the report.
Okay. Okay, another
Thank you so much, Munna bhai, for the
this
question.
as like as MS or Google Docs sharing, it's easy.
Okay, nice. Another question from Mrs. Sagara. Raise your hand. So
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you very much. I missed the presentation, the whole presentation, but I found that the tool is very powerful, and then I would like to know how to easily analyze, how to import, your indicator tracking table to Local Studio, and then proceed to some analysis. So thank you very much.
Okay, anyone? Floor is open. Anyone?
I want to give this answer. Indicator performance table. Normally, indicator performance table we use in an Excel sheet. So as a database, if you use as a database style, then you can import data from Excel. Here in the Looker Studio, you see how I share screen share. In a Looker Studio, there is a option to data Looker Studio as a blank report. Here is the option to see Microsoft Excel. So when you use Microsoft is a advantage using Power Query. You can easily calculate Power Query and Excel. Then if you import data from Excel, you can easily visualize this using Looker Studio.
Okay. Munna bhai, is it possible to visualize word cloud? Word cloud?
Yes, it is possible.
I know. Power BI is very lucrative, showing, but
Yes,
is it possible to in local student?
yes, possible. You see, this is also like uh, a cloud. This, if you want to view this, this is also used as a uh, word cloud system.
Is
This is
a tree maps, so tree map,
a
right?
tree map. Yes, if
Okay.
you use different type of uh, word, you can easily word cloud system.
Okay.
It will
Thank you.
work.
Thank you. Any on? Okay, Moni. Okay, Moni Shankar, India.
Yeah.
Please say something or
Thank
any
you,
question.
Alamgir, for organizing this webinar. And it was really very interesting. First time I am hearing about this application. So, just I wanted to know what is the difference between Power BI and this uh, Looker Studio.
Okay. Different is if you use MS Word, Google alternative is Google Docs. If we use Excel, this Google product is Google Sheet. This is Power BI. This Google product is Looker Studio. And Looker Studio is powerful, and also Power BI has a lot of advantage because Power Query is inbuilt there. But Google Studio, Looker Studio, you use its Excel sheet also. So this is similar. So Power BI demands money. If you want to share, then you have to take a license. But as a Google, Gmail is always free. So it gives us opportunity to use this without cost. But if we want to use commercially, then they do not allow. They allow money also. If we use using our domain Mahmood @ gmail.com, it's okay. If we use Mahmood @ of digitalmilhub.com, then Google Lookers will not allow to use publicly. Then they demand us, you have to bring license after 2 months or 3 months free. This is, but gradually Looker Studio is progressing. Um,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, anyone? If not, we can finish today night. Anyone? Anyone raise your hand or question? Not now.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. No, I would like to know if the Looker Studio Google is free of charge. Is it free, or shall we just pay some fees in order to have full access?
Safwan. It's free. If we want to use commercially, then Google wants money. But normally for it's free, as like as Gmail, Google Doc, Google Sheet. It's free.
So, just one question regarding the same subsequent question. So, is it an additional feature is there if we paid version we will take?
Yeah, paid version, they have feature. If you need any help, then Google support help, you can easily you seek the support. And also there have a third party third party apps also inbuilt. Normally third party apps not inbuilt in the Looker Studio. Few apps are available. When you paid version, a lot of apps are here. When we see in Power BI, lots of apps.
Okay, no more
But
today.
but for our normal use, it's okay. Yeah, our normal use.
Okay, Munna bhai,
One last question.
you can say last word for finishing. We would like to finish today night because already 10, 20. So you can say something lastly. What is your feelings and another things, Munna bhai, and then we will finish.
I'm very happy because a lot of people have joined this webinar from different part of the world. It's of course happy. If you need any support, we Digital MEL Hub here. We have group. This is we have connectivity. If you need any type of help, any kind of help, we will try to. Uh,
Okay. Okay, thank you, Munna bhai. Munna bhai is here, is a middleman. So next 16 November, he will again 2 hours for Looker Studio deeply 6-day training. So we will organize a 6-day training, Power BI and Looker Studio together for Bangladesh people because this will be Bangla language. And next year, I have a plan. Worldwide, I will provide that all the training after made a payment system. So payment system is not ready now. So we'll minimum value. We will take minimum value for learning deeply. So we'll organize a training for 6 days from next November, 1st November. So congratulations, welcome to Bangladeshi people. You can join next month to learn deeply. So good night from Bangladesh. Bye bye for tonight.
Yeah, goodbye. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you very much. We had a nice
Thank you very much.
presentation.
Goodbye
Okay.
from Nigeria.
Goodbye.
Goodbye from Malawi.
Goodbye from Sierra Leone.
Goodbye from
Goodbye from
Ethiopia.
Rwanda.
Thank you for your participation.
Yeah, from Benin
Bye
Republic.
from Mali.
Tanzania.
Okay.
Goodbye from Malawi.
Okay. Let's see
Goodbye from
again.
Liberia.
Okay, fine.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Most welcome.